Welcome to your quick tutorial on unprotecting sheets in Google Sheets. Have you ever found yourself locked out? Let's solve that today. First, open your Google Sheets document. Look for the sheet you want to unprotect. It's usually at the bottom. Next, click on Data in the top menu. This will reveal several options, including Protected Sheets and Ranges. Select the Protected Sheets and Ranges option. You'll see a list of any protected sheets for this document. Click on the protected sheet you want to unprotect, and then select the Remove Protection option. Finally, confirm the action when prompted. And just like that, your sheet is unprotected and ready to edit. To recap, open your document, navigate to Data, select Protected Sheets, and Remove Protection. Easy, isn't it? Now, you can freely edit your sheet without restrictions. Feel empowered to manage your data better. Remember to save your changes afterward to secure your updates. Happy spreadsheeting! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you navigate Google Sheets effortlessly. Thanks for watching. Explore more videos to enhance your Google Sheets skills. See you next time.